Now, here's how you can stop your pictures from going to the iPad. And let's get started. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. Essentially, it is possible that the photos that you capture on your iPhone will automatically appear on your iPad. But in order to turn that off, you need to grab your iPad and open up the settings app of it. Then inside the settings at the top, we have your personal accounts section, and in there you can obviously go to your name and then go to the iCloud section. And part of the iCloud, you have some different services, like different apps, which can be synced with it, right? So what you can do is to locate your photos section of the iCloud photos, and you can turn it off on your iPad, meaning that you detach and disconnect your iPad from the iCloud photos, meaning that no new photos will appear on your iPad. And in fact, some of the older ones from iCloud might disappear. I mean, they are still part of your iPhone and your iCloud, but not on the iPad anymore. Or you can also do it the other way around, where you grab your iPhone and stop sharing your photos to iCloud from the iPhone, where you essentially do the very same thing, but you do it on the iPhone and cut the connection that way. So in either case, you will effectively achieve what you need. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know most definitely if it worked. If it did, just hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.